Alright guys, I'm going to run the numbers here for the Patriots Titans Bobble Pool. Right here, we are going to go live. We are live. 5:45 p.m. 5:45 p.m. We are going to grab our list. Jake's got it right here. Zach on top, Jake on the bottom. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a Raz. We have a 6, 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. Dice shows a 6. Next click. And 6. Here's our numbers. I'll drop these at the end of the post. We are done. 5:46 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 5:45 p.m. and it just clicked over to 5:46 p.m. Verification code timestamp.